Hello, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Devar and I am currently in third year of Diploma in Computer Engineering from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, NARHE. I belong to group number 37, including me and my other two colleagues, Chandan Chaudhary and Param Toti. The topic name of our micro project is write a Python program to create an enum object and display a number name and value, which is done under the guidance of Professor Ms. Gadre ma'am. So this is the some index which we are going to see. There are some topics which are going to see in this PPT. The first is introduction of our project. In this project, we will see how to write a Python program to create an enum object and display a member name and value. So for this, we need some basic knowledge of enum. So enumerations in Python are implemented by using the module's name enum. Enumerations are created using classes. Enumeration have names and values associated with them. The properties of enum are enums can be displayed as string and enums can be checked for their types using type. Name keyword is used to display the name of the enum member. Accessing mode. Enum members can be accessed by two ways, by value and by name. In the by value method, the value of enum number is passed, and by name, the name of the enum number is passed. Separate value or name can be also accessed using name or value keyword. The comparison. Enumerations supports two types of comparison. First is identity and second is equality. These are checked using keywords is and is not. Equality comparisons of equal to and dash types of are also supported. So this is our Python code, which can say our main micro project. So in this code, you can see we have defined a class country, which is enum, and in it we have defined some countries and their values. And in last, we have defined the print function, which shows the name and value of the each name and value which has passed in this program. For this program, we have passed the Albania country's name and value. So this is our output of our micro project. In right hand side, you can see the our output, which is Albania and its value 355. So we have successfully learned and executed a Python program to create an enum object and display a member name and value. That's all was our micro project. Thank you.